Hello, welcome to a summer edition of Mullin's Market Minutes, where I decode the numbers behind the news. I'm Peter Mullin, and today let's dive into the current market landscape with a quick 90-second update. No matter who clinches the White House this November, markets have shown they can still move upwards. The more dominant factors in history have been geopolitical events such as wars. What is more positive is having a balance of power between the House of Representatives, Senate, and the White House. That said, we're seeing some economic indicators flashing yellow. The first half of the year was stellar for many investors, but as always, there's a bit of a tug of war between the market's performance and the economic data. Investors might start feeling a little bit uneasy as we experience some market volatility. It's not unusual for portfolios to experience some chop during these periods. But here's something to watch for. On the first Friday of August, the SOM rule could come into play. This rule, set by the Federal Reserve, suggests that if the 3-month average unemployment rate rises by 0.5%, just 0.5% from a year ago, a recession might be on the horizon. Currently, we're close to triggering this SOM rule, which is why I'm eyeing the next 3 to 6 months with a cautious but optimistic outlook. Then, we did just see some of the biggest year's winners see some measurable price reversion, so maybe this news is baked in already. It's like watching the skies for dark clouds. It's better to be prepared with an umbrella before the downpour hits. Keep an eye on these signals and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, carry on. The opinions voiced in this material are for general information only and are not intended to provide specific advice or recommendations for any individual. Any economic forecasts set forth may not develop as predicted and are subject to change. Investing involves risk, including loss of principal. References to markets, asset classes, and sectors are generally regarding the corresponding market index. Indexes are unmanaged statistical composites and cannot be invested into directly. Index performance is not indicative of the performance of any investment and do not reflect fees, expenses, and sales charges. All performance reference is historical and is no guarantee of future results. No strategy assures success or protects against loss. All indices are unmanaged and may not be invested into directly. Securities and advisory services offered through LPL Financial, a registered investment advisor, member FDIC SIPC.